Getting ready to do a little bit of vegetables, some eggplants, okra, cucumber, melon maybe. I know we're a little late, but still time. We got good time to do it, so we're gonna got a single. The way that works, you run your first line right here, run it back and forth maybe 2 or 3 times, because I got a lot of moisture right now. And then you put your wheel on the center, and then it'll start another bed coming out pretty straight. And I don't even have a auto steer. I wish I did. All right, keep you posted. Let me bring the tractor. I'm gonna make about 4 or 5 more rows. Well, there you go, guys. Turned out pretty nice. I don't know how much this is, 100 and something feet maybe. Hopefully NRC comes in play. We had put in an application for a hoop house or greenhouse where we can use to have a little garden or grow things. So we'll see how that works out. I do want to plant some dragon fruit. If you all aren't familiar with that, check out my YouTube channel. It's Texas Dragon Fruit. They're nothing like what you get at the store, guys. Trust me. What you buy at the store tastes like cardboard. When you do a homegrown dragon fruit, oh man, it is delicious. Nice garden bed there, 5 rows. I'm good with that. Like I said, we'll throw some eggplant, some okra. We'll figure out what we can grow. Might be a little late for tomatoes, getting hot. We'll get white fly maybe on it, and cucumbers and melons, the same thing. Down here, all that's pretty much already producing. There's a lot of humidity in the soil, a lot of humidity. But it looks good. Not bad without an auto steer, Hey, years of experience. And I can do that for a long distance. We'll find my sights on something that's a quarter of a mile away or wherever, and I'm sticking to it, Man, I'm pretty excited, guys. Disced up pretty good. I wish I had a chisel where I could break this up some. It's a bit compacted, but we got some good soil on top.